other in the first version you have seen this Chip-8 emulator description. Now we're gonna go into details how all this emulation works, and as an example of the simple computer, so all the computers works the same. So if you're gonna understand that, you're gonna be very sophisticated in this understanding. So let's go to this schematics. So I've called this Chip-8 virtual machine because in fact we don't have any hardware, we just use the other software to run it. But anyway, it has pretty much the same components as all computers have. So first of all, we have central processing unit, CPU, with some built-in memory. We have memory that holds programs which are in fact instructions and data in main modern architectures. And also we have some input device, this is keyboard in this case, and also we have some output device which is display and is shown on the browser side. And also, like this built-in memory, it's registers.